Hi mamas, welcome back to Adventures in the Schoolhouse, and we've been learning all about bats, our favorite flying mammals, nocturnal mammals. And in celebration of our bats, we created a fun bat lesson, and you can get yours today. It's in our shop. So we have a super fun sensory bin little workshop for you. We're gonna make bat pie, and we've included in the lesson, we've included little bats. So here's our family of sight words. So this is a pre-K through first grade activity, super fun. We're gonna jump in. You can download this at home and we'll show you how to make bat pie right now. So here we've got some of our word families: at, fat, cat, bat, mat. And you can take the little bat noodles and you can download our capital letters and take your bat wings, reinforcing starting at the top, and work your way down our letters